Here we have the Range Rover 50 in Devos White. You have 22-inch alloys with a diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have 50 tread plates and a vintage tan interior, along with a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is ideal if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting, with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially at night. A rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. Cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is luxury for winter and summer. You also have a massage option with several different settings, and all the seats in the car are memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 8 miles. And you also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover 50. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.